What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and I want to answer one question that I know a lot of people have, and that is affiliate marketing a scam? And how can you really make money? How can you feel good about affiliate marketing? What are you really bringing to the table? Are you adding value to anybody's life? And yes, I am. All right. So I'm gonna show you a website I use in a second, okay? And it's just a website. Anyway, the point of this is it's all about this product right here. This product, okay, this is a front load washer or dryer lock, okay. You push the button here and now it unlocks it. Now you can turn the front, okay. It glues to the front of your washer or dryer. The reason why I'm showing this is because there's a story behind this. Is affiliate marketing a scam? In a lot of instances, affiliate marketing and affiliate marketers that are just getting into it, they're pretty much just trying to get people to click on a link to buy a product, whether they use it, whether they need it, whether, whatever. They just want them to click on a link, buy the product, they make a commission. This is not exactly that, all right? So what I did a couple months ago, a few months back, maybe 4, 5, 6 months ago, there was some story in the news where a baby, and this happens a lot, I guess, a baby opened up a front load washer dryer, or washer, got into it, and the mom, followed her up or whatever, shut the door, turned on the washer. Now, if the parents had this, the baby would have had to push that button, turn this all the way around in order to open up the door. All right? So, in this instance, the website I made, the product that I sold, the main product that I sold, this one right here, it served a purpose. It helped out families. Okay? So I ended up making a little bit under $4,800 last month, in the month of September, just on Amazon selling baby products. And no, it wasn't just this product right here. The reason why I'm telling you this is because, number one, affiliate marketing is not a scam. Number two, once you send people to Amazon to buy this product, or any product whatsoever, chances are, especially when it comes to baby proofing a house, they're not just going to buy this item. They're going to buy this. They're going to buy the bath thing so that they know the temperature. They're going to buy a lock for the dishwasher, the cabinets, the drawers, doors, the little plastic covers that go on the edge of a dining table or the edge of a coffee table. Okay, they're going to buy baby gates. They're probably going to buy a security camera system. They're going to buy all that stuff. Okay, motion detecting lights. They can buy all that stuff and probably spend hundreds, if not $1,000 or more, on keeping their child safe, which in my opinion is something that, there's no amount of money that you could spend that would say, hey, I don't want to do that. It's you spend the money you have to keep your kids safe, and that's what parents do. So, is affiliate marketing a scam? In some cases it is. In this instance, it's not. I was actually helping families. I was telling them what exactly the product is used for and why they might need it. If you don't have a coffee table, you don't need the little corner things. If you don't have stairs, you don't need a baby gate at the top of stairs. Pretty simple. If you don't have a front load washer dryer, this thing is useless. Right? So, all important things. Now, here's what I want you to understand. Here's what I want you to take away from this. First off, you have to add value. Let me show you a website really quick. So, here's a website I did. This one's called Diapers Reviewed. It's just something I made up. Yes, it does make some money, but I take this exact template right here, this exact one, and I created the website for baby safety products. Okay, this one right here, it's not a very expensive product. I think this cost maybe $13, so I don't make a lot off this. But when people are buying this all the time, when they're buying hundreds of dollars worth of stuff, and I'm making 4 or 5%, it does add up. All right, but this one, and if you're in affiliate marketing and you need need a template that works, this one works really well. All you gotta do is come and change all the wording, change the images, change the links, stuff like that. But use this template right here. Okay, this one's all done with ClickFunnels. If you have a ClickFunnels account, go and use it. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I'll put the download link below, so you can go and you can get this template, number one, and then you can sign up for a free trial if you want to. Okay? But this template does work, and that was how I was able to make over $4,700 last month alone selling baby products. So again, let me answer that question. Is affiliate marketing a scam? In some instances it is, okay? But when you are actually providing value to the people that are reading your articles, watching your videos, commenting on messages over on Facebook, whatever it is, when you're adding value like I do, okay, and like I did, what happens is you make more money. That's just the way it works, okay? There's no trick, there's no secret, there's no something gurus aren't telling you. What people don't tell you is what works is the simplest thing. Add value just like I did, okay? And you will reap the rewards from exactly what you do, okay? So if you ever want to get into affiliate marketing, now's the right time. But you got to understand, don't jump into affiliate marketing just in the make money online niche and think you're going to teach a million people how to make money online successfully, because chances are it's not going to happen. But could you create a website and promote a simple little product like this, a safety product for kids, for toddlers, for babies, and make a lot of money? Yes, you can. Could you promote something in the gaming niche? Yes, you could. Could you promote survival kits for people that are out hiking and camping and just trying to survive? Yes, you could. Could you create roadside, assistant kits, roadside safety kits, okay, with the flares and the first aid kit and the lights and the flashlight and a little pack of food? Yes, you could, and you can make money off that. Because the point I'm trying to make is affiliate marketing is not a scam. It's just marketing. We're just marketing different products that hopefully will benefit another person. That's exactly what I did, and I know you can too. So if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, let me know. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit the thumbs up button if you plan on adding value to somebody's life doing affiliate marketing. All right? Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.